Hi, this is Johanna Ocampo talking to you from Infocom 2022 here at our SiliconCore booth. We're super excited to reveal the only 1.2 millimeter high resolution modular LED floor display on the market today. There's nothing else like it. There is no overlay, super high brightness at 1200 nits, and it's available today. We are using our special lease encapsulation process on this. It's not like any other encapsulation process out there. It adds additional durability as well as using an optical coating to maximize the brightness and the detail and the contrast in our display. As you can see, it's durable, 200 pounds per square feet, and it's opened up new markets in immersion as well as an option to replace projection. So if you're excited to learn more, go to our website at www.silicon-core.com.